Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can take 50 megapixel pictures with your INFINIX Note 12 2023. Okay, so to do this we have to open camera application, and then when we are on the AI cam mode, just click right here in this place. As you can see, the 50 megapixel mode is turned on, and let's take a photo, for example, of this button that is in front of me. So click on it once, catch focus, tap on the shutter, wait a little bit and hold your phone steady. As you can see, after a few moments the photo was taken, and when we try to zoom in, we can do this really close, and that's how this 50 megapixel photo looks. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.